Good morning students, myself Joshi Megha. I am your maths teacher and today we are studying about maths and chapter 1 large number. Okay, then 3 digits numbers and 4 digits numbers are there. Then what is the difference of 3 digits number and 4 digit number? Then here 3, 4, 0. How many digits are there? 1, 2 and 3. Then 3 digits are there is called 3 digits number. And here 5, 2, 7, 4. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 4 digits are there is called 4 digits number. Then how can read this number? My question is that how can read this number? 340. Then what is the place of 0? What is the place of 4? And what is the place of 3? Then 3 place is 100. Then 4 tens and 0 ones. Then how can read this number? 340. Okay. Then after 550. Then how can read this number? 550. Yes. Then after 657, then 657 and 999, 999. Okay, 999 is the biggest 3-digit number. Okay, you remember well. Biggest 3-digit number is 999. Okay, done. Then after we have to study about 4-digit number 5270. Okay, then how can read this number? First of all, this is the place of ones, this one is the place of tens, then after place of 100 and then after place of 1000. Okay, then 5270. Then after 8280. Okay, what is the place of 0? Ones. Then 8 place tens. Then after 2 place 100 and 8 place is 1000. Then how can read this number? 8280. Then after 9000. Okay, what is the place of ones? 0. What is the place of tens? 0. What is the place of 100? 0. And what is the place of 1000? Then 9. Okay, then after 9999. Okay, each and every digit is 9. Then ones place is 9. Then 10 place also 9. Then 100 place also 9. And 1000 place also 9. Then 9999. This one is the biggest 4-digit number. You remember well. Biggest 4-digit number is 9999. Okay, then after which number is formed on the abacus? Okay. The 1000 place is there, 10,000 place is there, 100 place and 0. Okay, how many bits are there? First of all count and then after write here only. Then 1 and 2. Then we here write 2. Then after no any number is there. That's why we put here 0. Then after 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 bits are there. Then we write here 4. And then after 1, 2 and 3. 3 bits are there. That's why we put here 3. Okay. Then how can read this number? 3402. Okay. Then what is the place of 2? 2. What is the place of 0? Means tens. What is the place of 4? Then 400. What is the place of 400? Then what is the place of 3000? What is the place of 3000? Meaning 3000 and 400. Place value of 4 is 400. Then place value of 3 is 300. Then ones place 2 and 10 place here 0. That's why we put here 0. Okay. Then after another example of count the beads and write the numbers. Then First of all, counts all the bits 1, 2 and 3. Then write here 3. Then after here 1 and 2 bits are there. That's why we put here 2. Then 1, 2 and 3 bits are there. We put here 3. And 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 bits are there. That's why we put here 5. Then how can read this number? What is the place of 5? 10,000. What is the place of 3? 100. What is the place of 2? Tens. And what is the place of 3? Ones. Then how can read this number? 5,323. Okay. This abacus only shows number not shown in bits. That's why here we have to draw. 5 is there. Then 5 bits draw. Then after 3 is there. 3 bits is draw. Then after 4 bits is draw and 2. Okay. Then how can read this number? 5,342. Okay, you understand well okay, what is the 3-digit number and what is the 4-digit number. Okay, remember well what is the biggest 3-digit number? Biggest 3-digit number is 999. And what is the biggest 4-digit number? 9,999. Okay, let us know new topic, face value and place value of 3-digit number and 4-digit number. Okay, place value of 3-digit number. Place value. Okay, students, very easy place value of 3-digit number. This one, place of ones. Okay, ones means only 4 is there. Then after place of tens, then 3 tens means 30. Okay, then after 100 place means 300. Okay, second way is place value. $458. Okay, what is the place value of each and every number? How can we have to solve? Then 4th place value, then 5th place value and number of 8 plus value. Okay, 4 after how many numbers are there? 1 and 2. Then you put here 400. Easy. Then after 5, how many numbers are there? Only 1. That's why we put here 50. And then after 8, no any number are there. That's why we put here 8. Very easy. Place value is there. Very simple. Okay, another examples of place value. That is the 4-digit number. Okay, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 digits are there. So, we have to write down 5, 3, 2 and 8. Write the place value of each and every digit. What is the place value of each and every digit? Then, in 5, after 5 how many numbers are there? 1, 2 and 3. Then put here 3 zeros. Then after, what is the place value of 3? Then after 3 how many numbers are there? 2, 1 and 2. Then we put here 300. Then after 2, how many numbers are there? After 2, only 1. That's why we put here only 1 0. And then after 8, then what is the place value of 8? No any numbers are there. That's why we put here only 8. Okay, then second one examples is there. Place value. Second one examples of 4-digit number 5, 5, 5 and 5. Each and every digit is 5, 5, 5 and 5. Then what is the place value of 5? 5, 5 and 5. 4 5 is there. Then how can read this number? 5555. Okay students. Then 5. How many after 5 how many numbers are there? 1, 2 and 3. Then put here 3 zeros. Then how many numbers? This one 5. Only 2 numbers are there. Then after 5 how many numbers are there? Only 1. And this one 5, no any one numbers are there. That's why we put here only 5. Okay, understand well this place value of 4 digits number. Okay, then after we are studying about face value. Okay, place value and face value. What is the difference of place value and face value? Okay. Okay, then 3 ones or 3. Okay, then after 5 tens or 50. Then after 4 100 or 400. Then after 3,000 or 3,000. Okay, 3 place ones means unit digit is there, 3. Then 5 is the place of tens, 50. Then after 4 is the place of 100, then 400, then 3 is the place of 1000, then 3000. Then what is the face value? This one is the face value. Okay, then 3 ones or 3 means 3. Then after 5, then after 4 and then after 3. What is the place value? 3 ones or 3 place value. Then 5 tens means 5 place value. Then 4 here and 3000, so 3 here. Okay, then after we have to studying about expanded form. Okay, what is the meanings of expanded form? Yes, I will study about expanded form. Then 9876. Okay, expanded form. Expanded form. Okay, then 9876. How can read this number? 9876. Done. Then how can expand it this number? Please pay your attention here. 9. How many numbers are there? 1, 2 and 3. After 9, how many digits are there? 1, 2 and 3. Then put here 3 zeros. Then after addition, plus symbol is there. And then after 8. Then how many digits are there? 1 and 2. Then put here 2. Then after 7. Okay. Then 7. Only 1 digits are there. That's why we put here 70 and then 6. Because of no any digits are there, that's why we put here 6. Then another examples of expanded form. 5. How many digits are there? 1, 2 and 3. Then 1, 2 and 3 zeros are there. Plus 3. After 3, how many digits are there? 2. Then put here 300. Then after 2, how many digits are there? Only 1 and 4. After 4, no any one number is there. That's why we put here only 4. Okay, understand? Then after we are studying about standard form. Okay, which standard form? In standard form, given expanded form is given and you have to do what? Standard form. Then 778. Okay, what is the place of 7? Then 100. So 7, what is the place of 70? Tens. Then 7, and what is the place of 8? Tens. That's why here 8. This one is the standard form. Here expanded form is given. Expanded form, we have to do what? We have to do expanded form. The standard form is given and you have to do expanded form. And here expanded form is given and you have to do standard form is given and you have to do expanded form. Okay, then next one, examples of okay, 8,750 and 8. Here expanded form is given, then place of 8 is 1000, place of 7 is 100, place of 5 is tens, and place of 8 is ones. Okay, then here 8,758. Okay, then after we have to study about greater than, less than and is equal to. Okay, you know very well that what is the symbol of greater than and what is the symbol of lesser than and what is the symbol of equal. Okay, you know very well that what is the symbols of these all three numbers. Okay, then suppose like that here 133-132. Okay, 133-132. Here put greater than, lesser than or is equal to. Which one symbol is here? So 133 is bigger than 132. Okay, 133 is bigger than 132. That's why we put here greater than. Okay, greater means biggest. What is the meanings of greater? Biggest. That's why we put here greater than. Then another examples of 458, 5, 5 and 5. Dear students, see here 458, here 555. Then which one symbols is comes out in this filling the blanks? To see here lesser than. Because of 458 is smaller number and 555 is bigger number. Okay, then after okay, 555 and 555 equal number. That's why we put here is equals to. Okay, you know very well, if this one number is bigger, please listen carefully. If this one number is bigger, then we put here greater than. Okay, and this one number is smaller, then we put here smaller means lesser than. And if both the numbers are same, if both the numbers are same, then we put here equals to. Okay, then after which one is the smallest number and which one is the greatest number? Here I am writing numbers and you have to do smallest number and greatest number. Okay, then which one is smallest number? Okay, then 3258, then 4560, 1280 and 8000. Find out smallest number. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and 4 numbers are there. Then find out smallest number. Here place of 1003 is there, here place of 1004 is there, here place of 1001 is there, and here place of 1008 is there. Okay, and we have to find out smallest number, then which one is the smallest 1000, then 1. Okay, that's why this is the smallest number. Same here, suppose like that this one question is find out biggest number, question will be same. Okay,